Dear students, today we will discuss on how to correct the grammatical errors. First of all, we must have thorough knowledge on grammar. You have already learnt the tense pattern, the verb pattern, voice change, conditionals, narration change, prepositions and determiners. Hence, you can do the error passages easily. But it is said, practice makes a man perfect. So we have to practice more and more grammatical error passages to make ourselves perfect in correcting the errors from a passage. Dealing with a grammatical error passage, we should read the passage slowly at least twice to find out what are the errors in the passage. Let us discuss this passage. First of all, let me read out the passage slowly at least once to identify the tense form of the passage. There is many reasons why the Karwai people build their hut high among the trees. If a rival clan will attack, the women, children and old men can be climbed to safety while the warriors will fight it out on the ground. The mosquitoes may not fly so high and the air of there are cooler. Lastly, from the verandas of their huts, the Karwais can shoot arrows at birds flying by and also kept a watch on their plantations where they are growing many types of bananas and sweet potatoes. Here, the sentences of this passage are in present tense. Hence, the tense pattern of this passage is in present form. Now, let us find out the errors in tense, in verb pattern, in voice change, in conditionals, in narration change, in preposition and in determiners. See the first sentence. There is many reasons why the Karwai people build their hut high among the trees. Here the main subject word is reasons. It is in plural form. So the verb must be in plural. There are many reasons why the Karwai people build their. There is possessive adjective. Usually plural possessive adjectives take plural nouns. Their huts high among the trees. If a rival clan will attack, the women, children and old men can be climbed to safety while the warriors will fight it out on the ground. Here the sentence is in conditional sentence and it is in type 1, and in type 1 conditional if part does not take any modal. Since it is type 1, it must be if plus subject plus V1. If a rival clan attacks, the women, children and old men can be climbed to safety. Can be climbed is in passive. It means the women, children and the old men can be climbed by others. No, they cannot be climbed by others. They climb themselves. So it should be in active voice. The women, children and old men can climb to safety while the warriors will fight. Here will fight as in future time. No, it should not be in future time. It should be in present time while the warriors fight it out on the ground. The mosquitoes may not fly so high. Here may not is wrong use. May usually used to express possibility. No, it is not for possibility. It should be used for inability, and the proper modal should be can. The mosquitoes cannot fly so high and the air of there are cooler. Here the subject air is singular, so it should follow the singular form of the verb. The air of there is cooler. Lastly, from the verandas of their huts, the curwise can shoot arrows at birds flying by. Can, the modal auxiliary, never follows V2 or V3 form of the verb. It follows present form of the verb. Lastly, from the verandas of their huts, the curwise can shoot, S-H-O-O-T, can shoot arrows at birds flying by. And also kept, since the modal can is used earlier, it should follow V1 form of the verb. And also keep a watch on their plantations where they are growing. Are growing is in present progressive tense form. No, it should not be in present progressive tense form. It should be in present simple form of the verb, and it expresses the general truth. Where they grow many types of bananas and sweet potatoes. Now let us go through another passage. Let me read out the passage slowly. There is a great difference among science and magic. Savages believe hard in magic, and a great deal their life are concerned with perform magical rites. Some of their beliefs are supposed to make the crops grow, or to bring rain, or to secure success in hunt or in war. In many parts of Africa, even today, the idea that people dies from nature causes is unknown. Here